I think since the advent of this disease, countries have adopted several strategies to try and curb it. Some countries had attempted herd immunity, like the UK, with the intent that eventually, as the disease unfolds and they have majority of the citizenry being infected, it will automatically confer some level of immunity among the general population. But clearly, this has failed. All countries that were looking at this approach have come to the realization that herd immunity is not the solution as far as COVID-19 pandemic is concerned. And it's therefore important that we look at strategies that will be effective. For me, the biggest and most important strategy going forward in the fight against COVID-19 is definitely the rolling out of the vaccines. And it's incredible news that so far this has been started in the US, the UK, and some of the developing countries where the disease is being most devastating. And for us in the developing country, we should also be happy that this vaccine is actually out. And with the introduction of many more candidate vaccines, and there's the potential that we'll also get vaccines in our countries to curb this disease. But we have to prepare ourselves in readiness for the introduction of the vaccine. And that's the area of much concern to me. What are we doing before the vaccine actually comes into our country? Are we doing the necessary education? Are we trying to get the citizenry very much involved? Are we using our local languages to get our people very well informed? We know when Ebola reared its ugly head in Africa, and there was even the attempt to set up a research center in Ghana, we know the kind of confrontations that we had and the way people openly didn't want this center to be established here. So the question would be, are our people really ready at this point to accept the vaccine, taking into notice all the conspiracies and all the messages being shared on social media platforms and all that? So I think the time is now. The Ghana Health Service has indicated sometime very early this year, maybe in the first or the second quarter, Ghana would probably have its first consignment. And I think the time to start the education is now. We should have the media, we should have all leading public health experts coming to the table and the necessary education done so that our people will take this vaccine fully assured of its effectiveness and fully assured that it's safe